Ron Samaniego, kinasuhan ng mga kapatid nating Muslim dahil sa kanyang ginawang pagpapahiya at mga pinagsasabi. Eto, pakinggan ninyo.
Sinampahan na ng reklamo ang nag-viral na doktor sa Davao City dahil sa kanyang mapanirang pahayag kaugnay sa mga Muslim.
Isang formal na reklamo ang inihain ng Moro Against Racial Injustice Alliance Movement laban kay Ronald Samaniego Torres.
Pakinggan natin ang isang reaction din ng isang content creator na to.
So I guess the end is near para kay Doc Ron. Kilala niyo ba siya, guys? Kung hindi siya kilala, siya si Doc Ron. He calls himself Doc or Doctor because basically he claims na meron siya mga certificates to be called as Doc. Pero he's a different type of doctor, guys. Hindi ito yung doctor na pag pupunta ka ng hospital, you're gonna be facing a real doctor parang pa-check up ng nararamdaman mo. No. He's not a physician or a medical doctor, guys. No. Different field of or different type of doctor ito siya.
For you guys, I'm one of a kind. I'm the LeBron James of my profession. I'm the King Kong of this profession. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I have over 25 years of international experience. Kung experience nyo, Pilipinas lang, hanggang doon ka lang to.
But going back to the issue, guys, si Doc Ron, basically ay nataguriang the greatest or the cloud chaser, these days. Kasi guys, basically yung content nito is pambabash ng mga tao. Cloud chasing ang tawag ng karamihan dito kasi basically, you just want to grab some attention from different personalities, Kasi basically guys, yung content nito is yung pambabash ng mga tao, different personalities, mga sikat na content creator dito sa social media. Hindi nga rin nakaligtas si Doc Dex Makalintal sa kanya. Si Doc Dex Makalintal is a content creator dito, giving some health tips, lifestyle, anything about medical, yun yung content ni Doc Dex. Hindi rin nakaligtas sa kanya. Binash niya sa kanyang content si Doc Dex. And different personalities pa. Yung recent is about dun sa mga kapatid nating nasa member ng LGBTQ. Hindi rin nakaligtas sa kanya. Binash niya rin. And yung recent lang talaga is yung mga kapatid nating mga Muslim. So I guess hindi siya nakaligtas this time. And it's safe to say na the end is near for Doc Ron. And kung ma-observe nyo, ilang days na siyang hindi nakapag-post. Siguro naglaylo si Doc Ron. So what is the lesson na pwede na matutunan sa issue ni Doc Ron? Well, guys, it's very important and very simple. Attention is temporary, but the consequences are not. There is a line between content and a crime. You should be aware of what you're doing with your content, guys. Dapat mag-responsable tayo sa ating mga content. You should know where to draw the line between constructive criticism or maybe you're destroying now somebody's reputation. Somebody will say na, content lang naman to wala namang masasaktan. But the law doesn't see it that way, guys. Kasi kung ibabash mo yung tao as part of your content in a very meaningful way, pinapahiya mo yung tao. And that's public humiliation. And yung public humiliation is not just a simple public humiliation. You're actually destroying somebody's reputation. Lalo na kung merong katungkulan yung tao. Yes, we have a freedom of speech. Lahat naman tayo merong kalayaan na ipahayag kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, kung ano yung tingin mo sa isang tao. But you should know where to draw the line. Kasi baka hindi na nga constructive criticisms yung ginagawa mo, kundi pamamahiyaan ng tao and you're destroying somebody's reputation.
Ayan, buti nga sa iyo, ha? Yang angas mo matatanggal na. Kasi ilang araw na itong walang upload na video at walang tira. Ayan, siguro ito madadala na ulit ito. Kasi ang tinitira nito yung mga sikat na mga content creator. Hanggang sa muli, bye!